Here's a question. Have you ever fixed a problem at work, felt good about it, and then watched the exact same problem come back 2 weeks later? That's the gap CAPA is designed to close. CAPA, Corrective and Preventive Action, is a structured process used in quality management to make sure problems don't just get fixed, they stay fixed. And when possible, that they never happen in the first place. It's a core requirement in standards like ISO 9001, ISO 13485, AS 9100, and FDA regulations. Let's break down what it actually means. Corrective action kicks in after something has gone wrong. Say your team discovers that products shipped with the wrong labels. The first thing you do is fix those labels, pull them, replace them, get it sorted. That's called a correction. It's necessary, but it's not corrective action. Corrective action is what comes next, asking why it happened. Were employees following outdated work instructions? Was a review step missing from the process? Was there a training gap nobody noticed? Once you've identified the root cause, and you can use tools like the 5 whys to get there, you make changes to the process itself. That's corrective action. Not fixing this batch of labels, but making sure the wrong label never ships again. Preventive action works differently. It's proactive. You're not responding to a problem, you're heading one off before it arrives. Imagine your maintenance team notices a steady uptick in equipment repair requests. Nothing has broken down yet, but the trend is pointing somewhere bad. So the company replaces aging parts and tightens up the maintenance schedule before a failure happens. That's preventive action, using data, trends, and risk awareness to act before the problem exists. Under modern quality frameworks, particularly ISO 9001, 2015, and beyond, this kind of risk-based thinking is woven throughout the whole system, not just confined to a CAPA form, but understanding it as a distinct concept is still valuable. Here is the key distinction simplified. Corrective action is reactive. Something happened. Find the cause, fix the cause. Preventive action is proactive. Something could happen, reduce the risk before it does. And both are different from a plain correction, which just addresses the symptom without touching the underlying cause. Most CAPA processes follow a consistent flow. Identify the issue from a complaint, audit finding, non-conformance, or internal observation. Investigate the root cause, using structured tools like 5 whys or cause and effect analysis. Define and implement the corrective or preventive action. Verify effectiveness, confirm that the action actually solved the problem, not just that it was completed. That last step is where a lot of organizations fall short. Regulators and auditors don't just want to see that actions were taken, they want evidence that those actions worked. If the issue recurs, the investigation reopens. A well-run CAPA process helps organizations break the cycle of recurring problems, improve product quality and customer experience, stay compliant with regulatory requirements, manage risk more effectively, build a culture of genuine continuous improvement. Instead of firefighting the same issues month after month, teams can focus on making processes better in ways that actually stick. Many organizations manage this through quality management system software rather than spreadsheets using automated workflows, task tracking, audit trails, and real-time visibility. It keeps things accountable and makes it much easier to demonstrate compliance when auditors come knocking. To wrap up, CAPA is corrective and preventive action. Corrective action eliminates the root cause of problems that have already occurred. Preventive action addresses risks before problems developed. Together, they're one of the most effective tools in quality management, not just for fixing things, but for building the kind of system where the same thing doesn't break twice. QT9 can help your organization track corrective actions, preventative actions, and more in QT9 QMS. Get more information and sign up for a demo or a free trial at qt9software.com.